Welcome students. Today we are going to continue with the chapter number 7 triangles of class 9. So till now we have understood all the congruence rules, correct? All the criteria SAS, ASA, AAS. Now we have understood two more SSS and RHS also, correct? And based on that we have solved the exercise 7.3 as well, I guess. Number आप check कर लेना, whichever the number it is. Simple. Now what we are going to do is that till now whatever we have done, all of them are in the form of an equality, correct? और जो भी था वो सब equation form में था या simple in a equal way, correct? Now we are going to understand what we have in equalities in a triangle, correct? When we have something called as inequalities, what does that mean? That means something is greater than another one or something is smaller than another one. That's what we are going to understand. Means if one side is greater than another side, what will happen to the angles? If one angle is greater than the another angle, what will happen to the sides? All those criteria we are going to see in the topic called as inequalities in a triangle. Now let's try to understand them with a simple basic concept first. Suppose I have two lines. Let me say these are the two lines or line segment called as AB and CD. If you look at this two line segment, you can understand very easily that one of them is bigger than the another one, or you can say longer than the another one. So I can easily say that AB is greater than CD because the line segment AB is seem longer than the CD. So AB greater than CD, or you can say CD is lesser than AB. Depending on what kind of things we are supposed to get, we will write this kind of inequalities. Inequalities means this, greater than, lesser than, something like this. This is inequality, correct? And we understood based on the side, correct? Just simply considering two sides right now. Later on we'll get into the concept as well, don't worry. Similarly, can we see for the angle as well? Suppose I have one of the angle like this and another angle like this. Let me say this is the angle A and this is angle B, correct? I can easily identify this angle A is greater than angle B or angle B is lesser than angle A. Again here the same thing, as and when needed we will write the inequality. If we need to get to know which is smaller, we'll say angle B is lesser than angle A. If we want to get which one is bigger, angle A is greater than angle B. Are you getting? So this is the basic idea what we are getting into this particular topic called as inequalities. Now this is just simple basic idea. This is what we are going to deal with this in this particular topic. Now exactly what are we going to do? We'll try to understand with the help of an activity, correct? I know that activity is difficult for me to show you here, but I will show you in such a manner that you will be able to understand, correct? And if you want to put it into a practical, you can do it very easily at your home. It is not some harmful activity, you can't try at home. So it's very simple. Suppose I have a side BC, correct? I have a side BC, or let me say कि activity कैसे करेंगे? तो take a string and tie it on the paper or some two knots, है ना? कहीं दो जगह पे उसको tie कर दो, correct? Now what we can do is we'll take a rounder, we'll make a certain distance, जो distance है वो ले लो, and mark angle A. Sorry, mark point A, not angle A. Let me say this is my point A, and then join with B. I have joined that with B. So my triangle ABC is generated. Simple. But till now we are not understanding anything. So triangle तो बन गया, that's okay. Now let's see. Okay, let me increase the distance of CA and I will call that as CA dash. How can I increase? I can increase on the extended line. So from C to, let's say A dash is over here, and then I have joined from B to A dash, correct? Then let me say I have increased the length again A double dash, then I will join from B to A double dash. So what is exactly happening over here, correct? You can find this thing by doing exact practical, correct? If you want, you can perform the activity and get the exact things, correct? कि भाई पहले 4 cm, then 5 cm, then 6 cm, and what is actually happening in this particular all triangles. तो सपोज लेट मी से समथिंग लाइक दिस, व्हेन वी गॉट द पॉइंट ए, वी गॉट द ट्राइंगल एबीसी एंड दिस इज द एंगल वी गॉट, एंगल एबीसी. देन आई इंक्रीज द लेंथ ऑफ दिस साइड कॉल्ड एज CA और उसको बोला हमने CA डैश. As soon as I increase the length, I can see this side BA dash, its angle also increases. Its angle also increases. Can you observe that? है ना? Definitely हमें पता चलेगा ना, because if I say something like this much angle, this much angle, this much angle, तो angle increase हो रहा है. Same way if you go from C to A dash, so again we increase the length, we again got increase in angle. है ना. अगेन मैंने जैसे लेंथ बढ़ाई, आई गॉट टू नो दैट माई एंगल इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग. सो वॉट कैन वी कंक्लूड आउट ऑफ दिस थिंग? तो आई कैन से समथिंग लाइक दिस, इफ द साइड इज इंक्रीजिंग और इफ द साइड इज द लॉन्गेस्ट वन, if the side is the longest one, angle opposite to that side means A double dash C, इसके सामने वाला एंगल होगा A double dash B C. That particular angle is going to be the largest angle of all these three. Correct? That means if I say something like this, A double dash C is greater than AC, greater than AC, A dash C greater than AC. Then the angles will be something like this, A double dash BC is greater than A dash BC is greater than ABC. Correct? So whichever the side is the longest, if we have any two unequal sides, if two sides of a triangles are unequal, then the angle opposite to the longer side, है ना, is larger. Let me put that in the form of a statement that is given by theorem 7.6. What does this theorem says? If two sides of a triangle are unequal, the angle opposite to the longer side is larger, or you can say greater, है ना. Keep this thing in your mind. Your angle can never be longer and your side can never be larger. Generally side में longer बोलते हैं because it's a length, है ना, जो increase होती है. So we said longer and angle will be larger or greater. Correct? Now if you try to understand this particular theorem, what does this says that if I have two sides of triangles are unequal, then the angle opposite to the longer side, जो side बड़ी होगी उसके सामने वाला angle जो है वो बड़ा होगा. Let me show you with the help of another example. Let me consider a scalene triangle. We all know what is scalene triangle means. Scalene triangle means that all the sides are unequal, and let me say the sides are something like this, 3, 5 and 7. These are the sides. Correct? पहले तो चेक कर लेंगे ये ट्राइंगल बना रहा है 5 plus 3 8 greater than 7 definitely. Correct? है ना. चलो. So let me say something like this. Now if I see something further, तो हमें क्या देखना है कि we can understand all the sides are unequal. Simple. Then the angle opposite to the longer side. Which is the longer side? Which is the longer side? 7. Angle opposite to the longer side. That means I am talking about this angle. इसके opposite यानी this angle. This angle is going to be larger. That is what we are trying to understand with the help of this particular theorem. What it does says that कि अगर मेरे किसी triangle में unequal sides are there and the angle opposite to the largest side, जो side सबसे बड़ी होगी उसके सामने वाला जो angle होगा that will be the larger angle. Correct? Simple. थोड़ी सी ink लग गई हाथ में. चलो let's see further कि इस theorem के बेस पे can we think of something else as well. कि अगर मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे क्यूरियोसिटी आ रही है, अगर मैं ऐसा कह रहा हूँ कि अगर साइड बड़ी है तो उसके सामने वाला एंगल बड़ा है, तो कैन वी थिंक ऑफ रिवर्स कि अगर एंगल बड़ा होगा तो उसके सामने वाली साइड बड़ी होगी, है ना. कैन वी थिंक ऑफ समथिंग लाइक दैट. इफ यू वांट यू कैन राइट डाउन दिस थियरम, अदरवाइज इट इज गिवन इन द टेक्स्ट बुक, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, है ना. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट एट ऑल, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, इट इज गिवन इन द टेक्स्ट बुक। नाउ व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन कि अगर अब मेरे एंगल बड़ा होगा तो क्या उसके सामने वाली साइड बड़ी होगी, दैट्स व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड। सो लेट मी से आई हैव वन ऑफ द साइड ए बी विथ मी एंड देयर इज एन वन आर जिसपे हमने कुछ पॉइंट रख दिया है, लेट्स से पी क्यू आर एस, एंड आई हैव जॉइंड ऑल दोस पॉइंट विथ ए, करेक्ट। एंड इफ यू ऑब्जर्व सो दिस एंगल्स आर इंक्रीजिंग, जैसे हमने प्रीवियसली जब इस थियरम को समझने की ट्राई की तो आई इंक्रीज द लेंथ, है ना, एंड चेक के वेदर अपोजिट एंगल इज लार्जर और नॉट। नाउ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग समथिंग लाइक दिस, दैट वी आर कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग द एंगल। देखो पहले एंगल पी ए बी, देन क्यू ए बी, देन आर ए बी, यहां तक, एंड दिस विल बी टिल, करेक्ट। तो ये सारे एंगल मिले तो आई कैन इजीली से एंगल एस ए बी इज ग्रेटर देन आर ए बी, ग्रेटर देन क्यू ए बी एंड ग्रेटर देन पी ए बी। सो आई गेट टू नो के भाई हाँ मुझे सारे एंगल इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में मिल गए। नाउ एज कंपेयर टू ऑल दिस एंगल व्हाट वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई फ्रॉम देयर अपोजिट साइड्स। तो फर्स्ट अगर बात करें पी ए बी, तो पी ए बी के लिए अपोजिट साइड होगी पी बी, क्यू ए बी के लिए अपोजिट साइड होगी क्यू बी, आर ए बी एंगल के लिए अपोजिट साइड होगी आर बी, एंड दिस विल बी एस बी। तो इफ यू ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली तो आपकी लेंथ, जो एंगल सबसे बड़ा है उसकी लेंथ अपोजिट सबसे बड़ी दिख रही है, एज वी कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द फिगर दैट एस बी इज गोइंग टू बी द लॉन्गेस्ट साइड ऑफ ऑल। एस बी, आर बी, क्यू बी एंड पी बी, इन सब में हमारी सबसे बड़ी साइड है एस बी। ऐसे समझ नहीं आता तो पे अटेंशन लाइक दिस, एंगल पी ए बी के सामने वाली साइड पी बी है। नाउ एज आई इंक्रीज द एंगल इट बिकम्स क्यू ए बी, द अपोजिट साइड्स आल्सो इंक्रीज टू क्यू बी। आप इजीली नोट डाउन कर सकते हो दिस साइड एंड दिस साइड, एंड इफ यू वांट यू कैन डू इट इन एक्चुअल प्रैक्टिस। आप घर पे बना के डायमेंशन चेक करके देख सकते हो, करेक्ट। देन एंगल इंक्रीज आर ए बी, अगेन साइड बढ़ गई आपकी अपोजिट आर बी। देन यू इंक्रीज द एंगल एस ए बी, अगेन आपकी जो अपोजिट साइड एस बी है वो भी बढ़ गई। तो आई कैन इजीली से दैट एस बी इज ग्रेटर देन आर बी, ग्रेटर देन क्यू बी एंड इट विल बी ग्रेटर देन पी बी। इसका मतलब कि हमें ये थियरम और एक क्या देगा 7.7 इन अ ट्रायंगल, इन अ ट्रायंगल द साइड अपोजिट टू, द साइड opposite to a larger angle, a side opposite to a larger angle is longer. अब larger angle बोलो greater angle बोलो, both of them are same thing, correct. In a triangle the side opposite to a larger angle is longer, isn't it? To understand it, let me give you one more example. Let's say we have a right angle triangle. We all know in a right angle triangle one of the angle is 90 degree, isn't it? Now can I say either this one of these two angle will be equal to or greater than 90? Is it possible? No. This both angle are going to be acute angle and that is also lesser than 90 और वो भी बहुत छोटी वैल्यू होगी। So out of these three angles, this particular angle 90 is going to be the larger angle, correct? So as per this is the larger angle, theorem says the side opposite which is going to be hypotenuse, correct? So the side opposite to larger angle is longer, and we know in a triangle hypotenuse is the longest side. Why? Because angle opposite to that is 90 degree and that angle is going to be the largest angle in all these three. इससे बड़ा एंगल राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में पॉसिबल नहीं है, नेवर। अरे वेटिंग, कभी पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता। If you may be thinking सर 90 क्यों, चलो कोई और लेते हैं। सपोज मैं मान लो मैंने कोई ऐसा एंगल ले लिया या ये ट्राइंगल लिया, करेक्ट। नाउ इन दिस पर्टिकुलर ट्राइंगल कैन वी आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट इज दिस टाइप ऑफ एंगल, है ना। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एक्यूट, राइट एंगल, ऑब्ट्यूज वगैरह। सो यस डेफिनेटली वी कैन से दिस इज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल, करेक्ट। नाउ इफ दिस इज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल, कैन दिस एनी वन ऑफ बी ग्रेटर देन लेट मी से 120। हम यहाँ पे ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल 120 ले लेते हैं, तो क्या इन दोनों में से कोई भी 120 से बड़ा होगा? 120 तो छोड़ो, ये दोनों 90 से भी बड़े नहीं हो सकते, करेक्ट। इवन 60 से भी दोनों बड़े नहीं हो सकते क्योंकि 120 तो ऑलरेडी आ गया। टू सेटिस्फाई द एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी, एंगल ऑफ दिस सम ऑफ दिस थ्री एंगल शुड बी 180। तो इन दोनों का एंगल का सम ही 160 आ रहा है, करेक्ट। तो ये दोनों ऐसे भी 60 से बड़े नहीं हो सकते। दैट मीन्स दिस इज द लॉन्गेस्ट एंगल और सॉरी लार्जेस्ट एंगल, और इस एंगल के सामने वाली जो साइड होगी लेट मी से ABC, तो AC इज द लार्जेस्ट साइड और लॉन्गेस्ट साइड। इस तरह से हमें इन दोनों थियरम को समझना है ना। एंड इफ यू टेक माय ओपिनियन आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप इन थियरम्स को 3 to 4 times 5 times 10 times लिखो, सो दैट इट कीप ऑन रनिंग इन योर माइंड, है ना, व्हेन यू सॉल्व इनइक्वालिटी प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज ऑल दिस थियरम्स आर गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एम आई क्लियर? You can pause the video till this moment and note it down. Now, before we go for the next theorem, let's try to understand something. Suppose I have a triangle ABC. Correct? Let me say triangle ABC. And if I say something like this, if I add any two sides of a triangle, let's say AB plus BC, what can we say? Its relation with the third side of the triangle, let's say AC. We add this to AB plus BC, then what can we say about the relation between this? So definitely when we add these two sides, it is going to be greater than AC. You can check. And while you are doing that, na, just make sure that you take two kind of examples. I'll show you. Suppose मैंने आपके लिए एग्जांपल लिया AB equals to 2, BC equals to 3 and AC equals to 6 centimeter. Correct? These all are in centimeter. Consider that way. Now, if I want to make a triangle out of this, so this is our base. Let's say AC. Correct? Then considering A as a center, I know the distance AB. है ना? A as a center, I will make an arc of 2 centimeter circle. Correct? Or radius. Then I will take C as a center and I will make an arc of 3 centimeter, something like this. While doing that, if you notice something, ये आपका 2 centimeter है and this is 3 centimeter. Does your arc intersect? अगर आपके आर्क इंटरसेक्ट ही नहीं करेंगे then you won't get the coordinate B. आपको पॉइंट B ही नहीं मिलेगा and then how can we make a triangle? And also you can check with the help of this kind of inequality. Correct? कि अगर मैंने AB plus BC ऐड किया, am I getting this two sides addition is greater than 6? क्या ये greater than AC हो रहा है? नहीं हो रहा है. Correct? So without drawing a triangle also, you can identify with the help of three sides of a hoping to be a triangle. We are not sure कि इससे triangle बनेगा कि नहीं बनेगा, but now if this condition is not satisfied, that means this is not going to be a triangle. Now sometimes what students take this as a, they will think like okay चलो एक कंडीशन ये तो नहीं हो रही है, लेकिन शायद अगर सर मैंने ऐसा चेक किया होता कि AC plus BC तो 6 plus 3 9 which is greater than AB, तो ये कंडीशन तो सेटिस्फाई हो रही है. So when we have something like this, then all the three conditions should be satisfied. Which all? Like AB plus BC greater than AC, then AB plus AC greater than BC, and then BC plus AC greater than AB. These three, all of them should be satisfied. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा कि एक satisfied, दो satisfied, तीसरी नहीं हो रही है, it's okay. No, triangle ही नहीं बनेगा. Then how can we prove that it's a triangle inequality or not? कि दो सम का आंसर थर्ड साइड से बड़ा आ रहा है. Correct? So this is what we are looking at. Based on this, the theorem is given something like this, which is called as 7.8. The theorem says the sum of two sides of a triangle, ट्राइंगल की स्पेलिंग गलत जा रही थी. The sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Isn't it? कि जब हम किसी भी ट्राइंगल की दो साइड को ऐड करेंगे तो वो थर्ड साइड से बड़ी होनी ही चाहिए. अगर नहीं हो रही है then those will not make a triangle. Simple. And this conditions questions always come in the exam. This is a kind of a theorem जिसमें से एक मार्क का क्वेश्चन हमेशा एग्जाम में आता है. करेक्ट. नाउ हियर वी अंडरस्टूड इन अ वे के भाई चलो दो साइड को ऐड करने से वो हमें greater than third side देती है, but there will be a small modification as well which is not given in your textbook, but I will try. But before that, let me change this particular side and let me say this is 4 and check whether this three sides satisfying this three condition. अगर हम check करें, suppose AB plus BC, so 4 plus 3 7, 7 is greater than 6, definitely satisfied. AB plus AC, 4 plus 6 10, 10 is greater than 3, satisfied, no issue. BC plus AC, 3 plus 6 9, 9 is greater than 4, satisfied, no issue. Similarly, if we check for the difference, जैसे कि AB minus BC, AB minus BC, so AB minus BC, 4 minus 3 1. Can I say 1 is lesser than AC, है ना? 1 जो है वो AC से छोटा होगा, definitely AC is 6, so 1 is definitely lesser than 6. So when you add two sides, it will be greater than third side, but when you take a difference of two sides, it will be lesser than the third side. ये भी हमें ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, correct? Similarly, if I say AC minus BC, तो AC minus BC, 6 minus 3 3. Can I say 3 is lesser than 4? Definitely. Similarly, let me say AC minus AB, तो AC minus AB, 6 minus 4 2. Can I say 2 is lesser than 3? Definitely. तो ये हो गए हमारे डिफरेंस. So if you want, you can state something like this: the difference of two sides of a triangle is lesser than third side. किसी भी दो साइड का अगर आप डिफरेंस लोगे तो वो हमेशा थर्ड साइड से छोटा रहेगा. If you add two sides of a triangle, it will always be greater than the third side. Correct? So this is the kind of a theorem you are supposed to remember, because problem is not necessarily based on addition. There may be chances कि वो आपको subtraction में भी पूछ सके, है ना? It's not a difficult task. It's a very simple thing to do, and I guess there is no difficulty at all. Correct? You can pause the video and note it down. Now let's have a look at example number 9. What does it says? D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC such that AD equals to AC, and the figure is given so that AB greater than AD. I will draw the figure for you, don't worry. This is the triangle ABC, and question says that point D is on ABC such that AD and AC equal. So this is the figure we have, correct? And what are we supposed to find is that AB should be greater than AD. That means we are getting into some kind of inequality, and to get to this kind of a problem done, we need to think a little bit, because inequality problems are of bit of a thinking. You need to think in a little bit detailed way, correct? तो कैसे करेंगे? Just pay attention. Can I say that in triangle DAC, I know that AD equals to AC? Correct? और कुछ तो है नहीं डेटा अवेलेबल, so I can go with that only. Now if two sides are equal, what does that mean? That means that opposite angle ACD and ADC, है ना, angle opposite to equal side are definitely equal. Angles opposite to equal sides definitely equal आएगा. So I get to know that these two angles are equal. Which two angles? Let me mark over here this angle and this angle. Now if you pay proper attention, तो ये जो angle ADC है, which looks something like this, A, B, D and C. This is the angle I am talking about. Can I say this angle ADC is an exterior angle of this triangle ABD? Correct. So I can easily say, now angle ADC is an exterior angle for triangle ABD. अब अगर ये exterior triangle है, then angle ADC is equals to angle ABD plus angle BAD, isn't it? Exterior angle is equals to sum of two opposite interior angles. So I get to know that this angle ADC is equals to sum of these two angles. Correct. Now from this, can I say angle ABD is lesser than angle ADC? Now you may be thinking, sir, how you are writing this thing? So let me explain. कि if I add two things that will make this whole, correct, that means these two things are separately lesser than this whole thing, isn't it? If you have a rod, if you have a let's say हिंदी में बात करते हैं, if you have a लकड़ी with you, है ना, आपके पास अगर एक लकड़ी है और आपने उसे तोड़ दिया, कहां से टूटा डजंट मैटर, लेट्स से तोड़ दिया, एंड इफ आई एड दोस टू पार्ट्स, जो हमारी जो टूटी हुई दो लकड़ी है, अगर मैं उन दोनों को जोड़ूंगा तो एक पूरी लकड़ी बनेगी, करेक्ट. दैट मीन्स दैट द इंडिविजुअल ब्रोकन पार्ट इज गोइंग टू बी स्मॉलर देन द होल पार्ट, इजंट इट. आपके जो इंडिविजुअल ब्रोकन पार्ट है, जो दो पार्ट है जो टूटे हुए हैं, वो दोनों पार्ट जो होंगे वो आपके सेपरेटली आपकी पूरी लकड़ी से छोटे होंगे. दैट मीन्स दिस इज लेसर देन एडीसी एज वेल एज दिस ऑल्सो लेसर देन एडीसी. बट यहां पे मैंने ये वाला एंगल जानबूझ के लिया बिकॉज दैट विल हेल्प अस टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. डन, करेक्ट. सो एबीडी इज लेसर देन एंगल एडीसी. वी नो दैट एंगल एबीसी is equals to ACD, so it becomes lesser than ACD. Now pay attention again, है ना. Let me rub this particular figure. अब अगर हम ध्यान दे, हल्का सा, कुछ ज्यादा इतना है नहीं, करेक्ट, तो उसमें इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि ABD, so can I say this is the angle ABD, A, B and D, correct, this is the angle ABD and the point C is over here only. So angle ABD and ABC, are they different? No. Why? Because they are on the same line. So I can easily say this is equals to ABC, less than. Similarly ACD, तो ये ACD, correct. तो ACD and ACB, again B and D on the same line, so I can say it is equals to ACB. Simple. Now as I get to know these two angles are in a relation, correct, जिसमें which is the greater angle ACB. Let me call this angle as first one, just to understand. Now we know one more theorem which we did today. Angle side opposite to larger angle is longer. तो इसके सामने वाली साइड कौन सी है? BC, sorry AB is going to be greater than AC. Now why I said AC? तो कि दूसरा एंगल है ABC, इसके सामने वाली साइड AC है, करेक्ट. So whichever angle is greater, opposite to that side will be longer and this is smaller one, तो उसके सामने वाली साइड छोटी. So यहाँ पे रीजन लिखना पड़ेगा, क्या लिखेंगे? Sides opposite to larger angle is longer, correct. Simple. Now if I know AB greater than AC, let me write here only, correct, यहाँ नहीं लिखेंगे. If AB greater than AC and I know that AC and AD equal, so I get to know that AB is greater than AD. AD और AC तो इक्वल है, क्वेश्चन ने बोला है, so I can replace this AC with AD, so I get to know, so that वाला जो था वो मिल गया, AB is greater than AD. Are you getting me? So this is how this kind of examples of inequality are done. तो ये था आपका बेसिक, सिर्फ हमने बात की आज इनइक्वालिटी इन अ ट्राइंगल एंड बेस्ड ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक आपने जो आज सीखा उसके बेस पे जो एक्सरसाइज है विल बी डूइंग इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. एम आई क्लियर? सो फॉर टुडेज आई गेस दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड. सिंपल सा शॉर्ट वीडियो ही रखेंगे, नो नीड टू एक्सटेंड इट इन अ मच लार्ज अमाउंट, बट आई गेस दिस इज इट फ्रॉम माय साइड फॉर द डे. And if you do understood it, please press the like button so that I can get the feedback कि आपको समझ में आ रहा है. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe it and thank you so much for watching.